can you send me an email with those packages again? And
Okay.
then I'm very interested. I just gotta come up with like the money and then what videos I want done.
Okay, this is Paravi and Mr. Imon and me. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency. We do Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing, and all type of digital marketing related work. Recently, our team member Imon has audited your YouTube channel and found some on-page optimizations related problem. So if you can fix that problem, definitely your channel possible to grow. So if you're interested, then we'll go ahead.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'd like to hear more.
Okay, so mainly we want to improve your video on page SEO related problem, and we also research your competitor, and we also promote your videos, and we also guide you what should do on YouTube and what should not to do, and how you can improve your channel day by day. So for that work, mainly we have two packages. One is starter and another is standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video SEO and promotions, and it costs 120 USD, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is standard package. In our standard package, we'll optimize you 30 video and it costs 300 USD, and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. So it's your choice which package you want to start with.
How much was the first one, the starter?
Starter one is 120 USD for 10 videos, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work.
It's at 120 US dollars.
Yeah, for 10 videos, SEO and promotions.
Okay. Well, what I'm looking for is I want to get monetized as fast as possible. I mean, I'm around 400 um subscribers and I'm I don't remember over 1,000 uh minutes or whatever for you gotta get 4,000 or whatever. So I'm looking to get monetized as fast as possible. I mean, I'm trying. I've studied some different things. I use vidIQ and I've studied some things about videos, but I'm just not getting consistent views. I had one about a month ago that did pretty well. Um, and that it just after that I did my next one and it was like 15,000 views, I think, and I went to the next one and it was like um 300 or something. So I don't know what happened, why it would go down that much. Are now would you guys be doing the videos? Like the 10 videos, would you be creating them or what would you be
No,
doing?
we just do marketing and promotions and optimizations for your videos. We're not creating your videos, and we will assist you to get monetization very fast, and we will guide you. We are expert. We have two big channel. One is 5 lakh 70K subscriber, another is 2 lakh 74K subscriber, and we know how to rank a YouTube channel, so we will help you. So our suggestion is you can start with our starter package and do SEO and promotions for your 10 videos, and you keep consistency. You should upload video, you should be create very informative videos than your competitor, and you should focus on your also thumbnail also. Then we will assist you, and when we do SEO, then gradually you will getting more subscriber and more views, then you will go to the monetizations.
So it would be 10 videos that are already produced and published.
Yeah, already existing videos we can do.
Okay. Um, because like what I did, I eventually want to sell the business. I mean, this is all. So I stopped making videos of myself and I made more videos of like they're just clips, video clips that are referring to what it's talking about. So it's a cleaning business and the scripts they're basically made by myself. I did a lot of blog posts in the last couple of years and then I took those and then I turned them into YouTube videos. And then you put it into, it's called Pictory.ai. It's an AI, um, it's AI software. So it takes whatever the text is in there that turns it into a video. I don't know. I mean, I guess that would be like
Yeah,
one of the,
we already visit your channel, and we already audit also, and we already sent a screenshot also. So we know each of the things about your channel, and we also research your competitor, and your channel has possibility to grow on YouTube. So packages I describe, you can think about it, no problem. And our work system is, when you hire us, you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize each of the things from our side. Then you no need to do anything. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is you just send your video links, 10 video links to us. Then we'll optimize from our side and make a report sheet. Then we will hand over to you. Then you just implement your videos by yourself. And our payment system is, when you hire us, you can pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. No need to pay first. You just give us 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. So my suggestion is, our our client satisfaction is our first priority, and we are a freelancer, this is our profession. So we provide the best service to our client, and if you satisfied with our work, then you will hire us again and again. So my suggestion is, you can start with the starter package and charge our work. Then if you satisfied, then you can go for the monthly one. This is my suggestion for you, and we will do our best to grow your channel.
okay. Um, can you send me an email with those packages again? And
Okay.
then I'm very interested. I just gotta come up with like the money and then what videos I want done. Um, because I have a VA I just started working with, but my number one goal is to get monetized as fast as possible. So the VA's been doing some other things for me, but I don't have enough money to do the VA and your guys and work with you as of right now. So I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do. Like I said, I am very interested. I don't have a problem. It'd just be a matter of me coming up with the money to do it. So if you could
Okay.
send me those packages and then I'll figure out how I want to do it and I'll keep in contact with you guys. And you said that, yeah, the 10 videos that takes 7 days. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
No problem. Our team member, Mr. Imon, would be your contact person. He will send each of the things through your Gmail, and he will on task with you. And he is a very expert guy, and he also know video editing, thumbnail design. Need further this type of service, then he also guide you. So thanks for your time, and hope to work with you for a long time. And everything further communication will be go through your Gmail.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.